Going for new project. Browse. The desktop I have already created the folder name with the DC motor. I'm selecting this folder. And I'm giving the project name as DC motor. Going to the component mode, picking up the devices AT89C51 microcontroller, and I'm going with the DC motor. Go with the simple DC motor. Close it. Select the controller. Place it. Going for the motor. Placing it. Maximizing for visibility. Connecting pin 2.0 for positive terminal of the motor. And pin 2.1 connected for negative terminal of the DC motor. This is the connection. Next, coming to the key for the program, go for project, close existing project, taking new project, desktop, projects, DC motor, saving it with the DC motor. It will ask for selecting the target device. AT89C51 is the target device, and asking for startup creation. We should say no. And file, new, editor window is opened. Save this file using the name DC motor. .c is compulsory while saving this file. After that, go for target, click or right click on the source group, add existing files to the group, select this .c file which was created and add it and close. And every program starts with a header file. #include reg51.h, and delay function is common for every project. Then next, the main function. Globally I have declared the connections using the data type S-bit. For positive terminal I have taken it as MOTP as the identifier, which is taken as connectivity for pin 2.0. Similarly, the negative terminal of the motor is given with the identifier MOTN, and this terminal is connected for pin 2.1. Writing the main function, void main, initially I am supplying both the terminals with 0, logic 0, and writing an infinite loop. For rotating in a clockwise direction, positive terminal is given with 1 and a negative terminal is given with 0. This will make the motor to rotate in clockwise direction. And how long this should rotate, I am giving a delay. For 10 seconds I want to rotate in clockwise. Then again the motor should rotate in anti-clockwise. For that, motor P is given with 0 and MOTN is given with 1, and this anti-clockwise rotation also taken for 10 seconds. So when positive terminal is with logic 1 and negative terminal with 0, direction of rotation of motor is clockwise, and when it is reversed, the direction will be reversed, that is anti-clockwise rotation, when P is supplied with 0 and N is supplied with 1. After this we will go for options for target. Give the frequency value 11.0592, operating frequency for the target microcontroller. Then in the output, create hex file and say OK. Then go for project, build target. You can see 0 errors, 0 warnings. Now the program I will be copying into the controller and I will run it. Double click on this controller, it will be asking for clock frequency. Make it as 11.0592 and program file, desktop, projects, DC motor. In this objects folder you can find the hex file that is created. Open it and say OK. After this I am going for playing it. You can see the motor is rotating initially in clockwise direction. You can see the simulation time here. When you are doing, you can observe it, the simulation time. After 10 seconds it starts rotating in anti-clockwise. So this procedure is repeated forever since we kept these statements in while loop. So the motor will rotate for clockwise 10 seconds and for anti-clockwise 10 seconds. So this is how a DC motor is interfaced. You can stop the simulation.